Hi everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about how to find the second maximum number from the given array. So this is our integer array. So here the maximum number is 30, right? So second maximum is 20. So our final output will be 20, which is second maximum number. So in this video I will explain how to find the second maximum number. So for that I have created one class second maximum number, and inside this class we have one main method, and inside this main method I have written the code integer array is equal to 4 6 8 30 10 20, and we have taken variable integer max is equal to array of 0. So array of 0 will be 4. Then we have for loop to find out the maximum number from the given array. So for that, for integer I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. If array of I is greater than max, then max is equal to array of I. So greater than or equal to max, then max is equal to array of I. So this is how we will find the maximum number from the given array. So after finding the maximum number, so currently we have 30, right? So 30 is the maximum number in the given array. Then we have one more variable integer second max is equal to integer dot mean value. So why we have taken integer dot mean value? Because whenever to make the our code as a generic, because whenever there are like negative elements inside the our array, at that time it will help us. Otherwise we can like take second max as a 0, or very minimum like 0, like then we have taken another for loop here integer I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus, and again we have one if condition here. So what we have to do is we have to we don't have to include this maximum number, right? So for that we have condition array of I which is not equal to max. So for all the elements which are not equal to 30 are true, the condition will be true here. And when the array of I which will be 30, then the condition will be false, right? And we have one more condition, array of I is greater than second max. So whenever the value of array of I will be greater than this value, then we will the condition will be true. So when both the conditions are true, then the second max value will be updated to array of I, right? So let's understand for each iteration how it will work. So for the very first iteration I value will be 0, so array of 0 will be 4. 4 is not equal to 30, the condition is true. And array of 0 is 4 is greater than second max, so second max currently is this value, so again this condition is also true. Then second max is equal to array of 1, so condition here the second max value will be updated to 4. Now we got second max as a 4. Again for the next iteration I value will be 1, and here array of 1 is 6. 6 is not equal to 30, the condition is true. Again array of 1 is 6. 6 is greater than 4. Here second max is 4, right? So condition is true, both are true, then second max will be updated to array of 1 which is 6. Again for the next iteration I value will be 2, then array of 2 is 8. 8 is not equal to 30. 30, then the condition is true, array of 2 is 8. 8 is greater than 6, so the condition is true, both are true, then second max will be updated to array of 2 which is again 8. Again for the next iteration array of 3, then array of 3 is 30. 30 is not equal to 30, this condition is failing here, so the loop will not execute. Again array of for the next iteration, so the second max will not be updated to here, right? Again for the next iteration I value will be 4, then array of 4 is 10. 10 is not equal to 30, condition is true here. Then array of 4 is 10. 10 is greater than 8, right? So second max will be updated to array of 4 which is 10. Again for the next iteration I value will be 5. Array of 5 is 20. 20 is not equal to 30, condition is true. And array of 5 again 20 is greater than 10, so second max will be updated to array of 5 which is 20. So this is how we will get the second max value. And lastly we are printing system.out.println second max number is second max plus second max concatenation. Let's execute the code and check whether we have written code correctly. We got second max as a 20, right? The code is working fine. Let's make it as a something else. Let's make it as a 50 now. So the second max here is 30, right? So it should print 30. Yes, our code is working fine. Yeah, this is how we can find the second maximum number from the given array. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.